Hello everyone. My name is Dhruv Jindal and I'm 14 years old. The coronavirus pandemic has caused a lot of trouble to millions worldwide. People have lost their lives, people have lost their jobs, some people are not left with money to even eat food twice daily. I could just go on all day listing down the bad things which has happened to people due to the pandemic. We all have been waiting for the vaccine for months now. But we should realize that there are some things which we can do at our own capacities to, if not stop, then lower the spread of coronavirus disease. These healthcare workers have been working day and night, putting their lives at risk just to save our lives. The people in the vaccine development teams have been working tirelessly for months just to take out that vaccine. So I decided that as a member of the society, I also had an equal responsibility. So I used this enthusiastic brain of mine and came up with this device. This is a mass screening and automatic sanitizer dispensing machine. It can be placed at the entrances of hospitals, schools, and even residences. Let's say it is placed on the entrance of a school. So it has to be hung on a wall, and as soon as the students enter, one by one they have to place their heads on this temperature scanner right here, and their hands below it over here. Now, if the temperature of the student is normal, then a blue LED will light up indicating that he or she has a normal temperature, and sanitizer would be dispensed from the bottom. But in case the student has a high temperature, then firstly the sanitizer would be dispensed as usual, but this time instead of a blue LED there will be a red LED which lights up, and also a buzzer which is triggered. So the buzzer will make everyone nearby aware that the person who is standing in front of the device has a high temperature. Not only that, there will be an automated phone call which will be placed on the cell phone of, let's say, the guard of the school, and it will be a pre-recorded phone call which will say that someone at the door has a high temperature. And in addition to that, an automated email which will be sent to the principal or the coordinator of the school, which states that someone in front of the device has a high temperature. Now let's see the device in action. So I've installed the device at the gate of my house, and let me demonstrate it to you. So if I have a normal temperature and I place my head over here and hands below it, I get this sanitizer in my hands, and you see there's a blue LED which indicates that my temperature is normal. And in case someone has a high temperature, like this glass filled with hot water, instead of a blue LED, a red LED was lit indicating that the person has a high temperature. Not only that, a buzzer was triggered letting everyone else know in the surroundings that the person has a high temperature. The sanitizer was dispensed as usual, and I'm getting this phone call.
Someone at your door has a high temperature. Considering the current circumstances, I would recommend you get that person tested. Please make sure you are not in contact with him or her.
And also, I've got this automated email which says someone with a high temperature has entered the building. Please make sure that he or she does not come in contact with anyone. This is like a small initiative I've taken, hoping that it would help in reducing the spread of coronavirus disease. This is like the version 1 of the product, and I'm looking forward to adding more and more features, like linking it with attendance systems in the future. Also, I'm planning on implementing it in schools and hospitals, and also donating it to poor schools and hospitals who can't really afford it. uh, with your support, I'm certain that I would be able to achieve that. And in case you have any feedback or suggestions or any doubts, please do leave them in the comments below. Thank you, and I hope you like the project.